How to remove someone from Google Drive access. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove someone from Google Drive access. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Drive. So head over to drive.google.com and hit enter. After that, head over to the file or folder which you want to remove someone's access from. After you locate the folder or file, you can simply press on the three dots right beside it, tap on the More Actions, and there you'll find the Share option. Head over to Share, and again, tap on Share. This will open up this small pop-up where you can see who has the access. Now, you can add different people from here as well, or remove people with access. So tap on any person that you want. There you will see the Editor or Viewer option. So press on the editor option. I will be removing this account right here. It's my account, which I want to remove access from. If I tap on the editor option, you'll see the remove access option. Tap on it and it will remove it. All I have to do is tap on the save button and I'm good to go. And that's basically how you can do this. You can check again by going to the share option. And as you can see, the access has been removed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.